Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to save a phone number on your mobile. First, open your phone's contacts or dialer app. Next, tap on the Add Contact button, which is usually represented by a plus sign or an add button depending on your phone model. Now, enter the phone number you want to save in the phone number field. Then, fill in the person's name and any other details you want, like email or address. Once you've entered the information, tap Save or Done to store the contact in your phone. That's it. You've successfully saved a phone number. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.